Hello, my name is Andrea Alice, and today I will be talking to you about clouds. So, when I was younger, when I was very little, I remembered looking at clouds in the sky, or maybe looking at clouds in movies or shows or cartoons. And I remember always wanting to stick my hand out and grab a cloud. For example, I remember watching Aladdin and watching the scene where they go on the magic carpet ride, and I would always want to be there and just grab a cloud and maybe play around with it and just be able to really feel how soft it was, like a pillow or like a marshmallow. It wasn't until much later on that I realized what clouds really were. So, according to NASA, clouds are actually water droplets that later turn into water vapor. This is because the air in the sky can be very cold, especially the higher up we go. So, water droplets in the sky can mix together with other substances and stick to them, and this is how we get clouds. So water droplets in the sky can stick into things like dust or ice, and then we later on receive clouds. So clouds are very important, and something that's interesting about clouds is that we can figure out what type of cloud it is based on two details. So, according to NASA, these details are the area where the cloud is found, and another detail that can help us figure out what type of cloud it is the cloud name. So, their shape, because clouds are named by their shape. So, by the location of the cloud, so clouds can be higher up in the sky, they can be lower, and they can be in the middle. A type of cloud, I guess you can call it, that we know of is actually a low cloud, and this is what we know as fog. So fog is a type of low cloud. We can consider that. And the different type of shapes can help us look more into clouds and look at the differences of the clouds. So for example, the different type of cloud shapes are like cirrus. Sorry, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but cirrus, there's also cumulus, and the cumulus clouds are kind of known to look more like giant cotton balls, as NASA says. And then there's also stratus clouds, and they are low clouds. So why are clouds important? Why do we have to know about them? So it is crucial for us to know about clouds for various reasons. Rain and snow happens to be some of these reasons. So at night, as NASA says, at night clouds can reflect the heat and they allow the ground to be warmer. So during the day, clouds can make a shade that can keep us cooler. Because of these, clouds are important. They allow NASA to understand the Earth climate better and the weather too. Later on, NASA also studied the different clouds in different planets. For example, as NASA states, Mars has clouds that are like the clouds on Earth, but other planets have clouds that aren't made of water, which is very interesting. For example, Jupiter has clouds that are made up of gas. This gas is called ammonia. So it looks like I won't be able to touch clouds anytime soon. However, clouds are very useful and they're also beautiful to look at, and I can always go and paint clouds. So thank you.